tutorial. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to do a do-it-yourself document camera. Now to do this you're going to need three things. The first thing you're going to need is a iPad or a iPhone. That is going to work as your document camera. The next thing you're going to need is some boxes. I like to use these handy dandy board games here. Stack those together. And the last thing you're going to need is a writing pencil and a piece of paper. Whatever it is that you're going to be using as or showing on your document camera. It could be your book. Right, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to start your, go ahead and start your Zoom video. You're probably going to do it like the first time you're doing this. You're probably going to want to do this with no people in your room, just so you can test it to make sure everything works the correct way and it looks the way that you want it to look. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come down here to the bottom and you're going to click on share screen, and then from here you're going to click on iPhone via AirPlay. So click on that and click share. Now on your phone, which you'll see here, you're going to go ahead and swipe down so it looks like that, and you're going to hit the screen mirroring button, and then you're just going to look for your actual, you can't really see it here, but your screen mirroring option for your Zoom. Click that button, and then once that happens, voila, you can see it on the screen. Now the second part to this is then simply clicking the camera button. You can see here this camera button. Tap on that and you now have a handy dandy doc cam. Now I have my board game set up right here, and I just go ahead and flip this over. Now I can start writing in my doc cam, reading a book, writing, whatever it is. If you'd like, you can zoom in by pinching with your fingers, and you can kind of zoom in the same way you would as a doc cam. If you weren't happy with this lighting setup like I have here, I did this very quickly. If you want a more permanent setup, go ahead and play around with it before you start your meeting. That way when you do start your meeting, you can go ahead and give it the attention and make it look the way you want it to look. So that's it. It's pretty easy. When you're done, just go ahead and click stop share, and that'll bring you back to the center here. If you want to simply just write, maybe you don't necessarily even need to have a doc cam. Just click share screen and hit whiteboard, and then from there you can do some math. That's just another option for you if you don't want to do it the doc cam way. Hopefully this is helpful. Thank you so much for stopping by, and have a great day.